Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. We've got a great recipe for you today. It's for squirrel bread.
Oh yeah!
All the squirrels want this. You'll see why in a
Would
minute.
you say it's what a squirrel wants? It's what a squirrel needs.
It's full of nuts and seeds and no gluten. So I'm not on the keto craze. I'm not on the low carb craze. I just want to eat more whole foods plant-based. So crusty Italian bread is highly processed and it's basically like eating a bowl of sugar. I know, it's sad. But this is something that is going to be healthy for you. It's going to be delicious with hummus or peanut butter. I know, another nut.
Look at all these nuts and seeds you got going on here.
This is insane. There's so many different nuts and seeds here that it's nuts.
And seeds.
Right. So, I want to toast these first because I don't want them to have like a raw taste. I want them to be a little bit crispy. So these pepitas have already been toasted, so I'm already putting those in the bowl. I'm not going to be toasting them. So I have my pan over here. I'm going to put all of my nuts and seeds in here, except for the pepitas. So we've got some almonds that I've chopped up because I didn't have any sliced almonds. So there's the almonds. We've got some whole rolled oats, organic. We've got some chia seeds. Don't worry, all of the ingredients and all of the measurements will be in the down bar. Some sunflower seeds, some hemp seeds, and some sesame seeds. So that's a whole lot of seeds, right?
It is.
We're going to take this over to the stove and we're going to put it on a low flame and just toast this a little bit. Make sure you don't go anywhere because this is going to burn very easily if you do. So you're going to want to babysit this a little bit. I'm going to get my paddle and I'm going to toast that up and we'll be right back. All right. So this is done. It took about 5 minutes. You could tell it's starting to get done when you smell like the toasty aroma and you hear some of the sesame seeds popping in the pan. Then you know it's just about there. So I just let this sit a little bit after I turn the flame off. So I guess I'll just put this in with the pepitas. There's only a couple more ingredients. Alright, so you can use coconut oil, but I'm going to use some avocado oil today because I really like avocado oil. And you've got some sugar, coconut sugar, and some Himalayan sea salt because you don't want this to taste like nothing. You want it to taste like something.
Yeah, you do.
And secret ingredient is Psyllium husks powder. Now, the first time I saw this, I was like, what the heck is that?
What's Psyllium?
It is pure 100% fiber. This is going to turn into gluiness when you add the water to it, and that's what's going to hold all the nuts and seeds together in the bread. This will...
It'll take care of you.
3 tablespoons. Okay. So we're going to add our water and give it a good stir. You're going to be like, whoa, that is really soupy. That's never going to be bread. But you'll see the psyllium husks and the oatmeal will really soak up the liquid and it'll be bread one day. We're going to need to let this sit for about an hour. I'm going to put, no I'm not. I was going to put it in the pan and let it sit in there. You could see already it's like almost dry. Maybe I will just put it in the pan and let it sit. I've lined a baking dish with some parchment paper so that I could lift it out easily. And that's all there is to it. You let that sit for an hour and then we're going to get ready to pop that in the oven. This has been sitting for an hour, and before someone starts playing the piano, I'm going to pop it in. And by someone, I mean the cat. I'm going to pop this in at 325 for half an hour. And after half an hour, we're going to flip it over and cook it for another 45 minutes out of the pan like on a cookie sheet. That's why we're using the parchment, because it's easy to pull it out and flip it over. Whoa, what a squirrel wants.
That looks beautiful.
It is.
Tell us what you did.
Alright, so what I did was I took a serrated knife and I sliced these probably 1/4 inch slices, and then I laid them out on the parchment sheet and just toasted them until they were fairly dry. Not completely dry, but just a little bit more toasty. So I did that with the whole loaf.
Okay.
And now they're ready to eat.
Let's try it.
Yeah, try it first and then dip it in some hummus.
That smells really good.
When you came down this morning, you said, what smells like chicken?
It smells like fried chicken.
Yeah.
Mmm. That's good.
Why, thank you.
So nutty.
Yeah. There's only one nut in it, and that's the almond. And if you are allergic to tree nuts, you could probably substitute something else for the almonds in there.
Mm-hmm.
You know, just either add more sunflower seeds or more sesame seeds or more hemp seeds.
It's really good with the hummus.
Oh.
That's good.
I think...
you got a lot of bang for your buck in this. Look at that.
Yeah, you do. There we go.
Look at that.
A lot of bang.
Beautiful.
Not that much buck.
Right. Right? It's a nice little snack.
You know what? That tastes expensive.
It does.
Whole nother level.
Yeah, with the hummus, it's like...
Yeah. I can't wait for Daddy to try this.
Yeah, I
when he
think
gets
Dad
home.
will really like it. You know who would love this?
Granny.
Granny. For sure.
Yep. Well, there you have it.
Yeah, if you guys try it out, let us know. Send us a picture. We'd love to see it.
It's what a squirrel wants. And you too.
Yeah. So thanks for watching, and until next time, much love.